So wooed up peoples, we have nice game platformers tutorial. So you might be thinking the last tutorial kinda sucked, and why is this a new one? Well, yeah, ignore the old one because this one is better than the old one. And yeah, you could make something kinda like this. Except the last few levels are a bit shitty, as you might notice. What? Oh no, I wanna save. Okay. First, we have our sprite. I will use the old one, Mario. So, we have one forever game loop. When green flag clicked, forever loop. So this is our game loop, or basically where you have gravity control and stuffs like that. So we need a variable called speed y for the sprite only. We will set speed y to 0 and we will change y by speed y and change speed y by -1. That is our gravity. So let's first set up Mario by setting his size to 200 and switch his costume to this and show. So you see, we also want to go to 0, 0. And you see the gravity controls looking very nice. But guess what? I don't think they're nice enough. So we can make a platform part. Start by drawing a platform. So you just draw a miniature version. We'll draw it on bitmap because I don't know. Actually, no, on vectors. So get a nice yellowish green color and an outline, the same yellowish green color, and make this. I don't like that outline. So we just get some brightness. And look at this. If we just go to 0, 0, go here, you can use this shape shifter tool to make your land. Whoop, that looks a bit funky. So you can use this to make some weird terrain. And now you have terrain. But Mario falls through the terrain. So I first want to make terrain smaller. And now you can clearly see Mario not falling onto it. So if we are touching, let's rename the sprite to platform. Platform, whatever. If touching platform, then set speed y to 0. There, he now not falling through it like that. But also, we don't want him to go too fast. So if speed y gets less than minus 15, then set it to minus 15, which means we don't want to go down to 15 or more pixels at a time. So next, we need sprite collisions. If we're touching platform, change y by 1 and duplicate it 10,000 times, which will give you this giant script or the game loop. And now you see Mario is perfectly on the edge. Except you see that tiny gap? He is exactly 1 pixel above the ground. So, let's make controls. When the green flag is clicked, and I suggest using another one cause yeah, even though adding too many might cause your game to lag. So laggy games are usually caused by the forever loops. We check if the up arrow is pressed. Well, we want to make a variable called jump for the sprite only. If it is, then set jump to 1. We only use this gravity if jump is 0. So 1 equals yes and 2 equals and 0 equals no, or 1 equals true and 2 equals false. So we check if jump equals, oh gosh, what did I just do? So we check for jump equaling 0. So if jump equals 0, then yeah, gravity. But up arrow set jump to 1. Like that. So let me go to this drawing tool. And so, how gravity works is that when you go up, this is you. Oh, I'm so good at drawing. But when you go up, you could say this point, gravity, energy, or how far you go. Oh, my handwriting's so good. Is like 12 or something. But you have lots of energy when you jump because of Newton. But when you go here, you start to lose energy. So energy might equal like 10. Oh, that looks like a 9, so let's keep it a 9. So the higher you go, the less energy you have because of Newton and gravity. So eventually, oh, I hate that green, but eventually when you go down, gravity will take you down, cause yeah. And so let's do that in Scratch. So, oh yes, jump to 0. So, when the up arrows press jump to 0, 1, and we have speed Y here, reserved for us. So, repeat until the key up arrow is not pressed. Except for up arrow presses, if you want to limit how high you go, just use repeat 10. And you could change jump by 1, speed Y by 1. And also remember to set speed Y at the beginning to 0. So change speed Y by 1 and change Y by speed Y. So after that, you repeat until equals 0, or repeat until speed Y equals 0, or nothing. You could add anything else, but I will do this. You will then just go down. And this repeat is for left and right as well, so you could also delete that if you want. So, green flag clicked. We also have to set jump to 0. So, after that, set jump to 0. Look, he now jumps. But you could double jump as well, so that's weird. But that's like Flappy Bird. Whatever, we will fix that a whole ton later. But yes, we now have a jumping and sprite collisions. See ya later, green. Oh, I think they say whatever. Whatever then, bye-bye.